Alright everybody, so we sourced a new engine on OfferUp. It has about 90,000 miles on it, so pretty close to the original miles of the car. And I'm getting the Long Block for $200, so it's a pretty good deal, but it's like an hour drive away. So I've roped Julian to come with me, so we'll go on our hour drive, we'll pick up the engine, and then we'll probably go to dinner at Freddy's Steak Burgers and Fries.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about?
This guy fucked us.
I know.
We've been here for 25 minutes waiting for this guy.
I'm a little nervous about this whole thing.
Whatever, man. Life's an adventure.
Just pouring hot Cheetos in your mouth.
Gotta eat, right?
That's true.
I'm about to carry an engine block. Where's this guy at, man?
When you called him, it sounded like he was off-roading.
It sounded like he was in Vegas.
100%. He's like, yeah, let me leave Old Town.
Yeah, I'll be there. Just give me like an hour and a half. Oh, you're there right now? I didn't know you were coming.
Oh, shit.
I'm excited to see what an absolute process is going to be getting this fucking engine in the back of an Acura RDX.
I have a question for you. Do I have to help?
We'll see.
I don't think I have proper footwear for this.
Take your shoes off. You could do anything barefoot.
True.
Just wish this guy would show up.
3 hours later.
How are you feeling about this transaction?
I'm feeling pretty good. The guy, I had low expectations when we waited an extra 30 minutes for him to come.
Yeah.
But when he showed up, he's basically just a Puerto Rican version of me. He just has a bunch of BMWs and cars and car parts in his garage, and
his wife's trying to get their garage cleared out.
Yeah. And so he's like, I need this thing gone. But the two of us lifted it up in the trunk. We got it in the trunk, and he just kept. We talked a little bit about cars, and he didn't speak great English. He just kept saying motherfucker. I showed him a picture of the E93, and he's like, oh, bro, that car's motherfucker. But yeah, I don't think he really knew what he was saying. But
No, but he liked it, you say.
yeah.
You got an overall positive vibe.
Yeah, I thought for sure we were gonna get murdered there, but then when we got in the garage, everything was good. So
Yeah.
good vibes in the garage, and we're back on track. So
Things are looking up.
yeah, I'm at a low point in the other video of filming getting the car out, but hopefully by the time you guys watch this, I will have gotten the top L housing bolt out, and I will not be nauseous thinking about having to get it out. But now it's time for Freddy's Steak Burgers and Fries. Alright, so if you've never been to Freddy's, you've got to rock the California style burger. It's basically like an In-N-Out burger, but with a steak burger. French fries, get yourself a concrete, and then you got to go with a hot dog with a lobster roll bun. So we got the N54 home in the Acura RDX. You know, out of all four of the cars, we felt this was the most suitable for the job. But so I've got some chains. I'm going to wrap the chain up on the starter hole and the tow hook that's in there and get it out of the car so Julie can have her car back. So here we go. So we've got the engine out of Julie's car finally. So next step is we're going to clean it up. I want to do a full detail on it. I want it to look brand new. I started a little bit on this side to see what it would turn out like, and it's turning out pretty good. So I'm going to spend some more time on that with degreaser and some brake clean, and just get the front of this and all sides cleaned up, and then we can start transferring everything over from the other engine. I've got a big order from FCP I'm still waiting on, and so once we get that, we can really start making some progress on that. In the meantime, look forward to me cleaning this up. I want to make this look like a brand new car by the time it's done, so hopefully we can do that. There's no rust or anything like that we have to worry about, so it's really just putting in the hours and the time into cleaning everything. So if you haven't already, make sure you hit the subscribe button, watch the rest of the build, and drop a like on the video, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.
I'm just really trying to show you love. Say you tired and you need a new love. Use what you